Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. A few friends have been asking about how to make money online. Some are even wondering whether it's actually works, whether it is true that you can make money online. Well, the good news is it's true, and this is going to be a very short tutorial to give you one of the most legitimate ways to make money online, especially if you are in Ghana. Most of the time, online works from home requires PayPal, Skrill, other forms of online payments that is not available to us in Ghana. But this particular method we are going to talk about actually pays through mobile money, and it is the easiest way you can make money online. To me though, a lot of people are on there and they are making it. Let's get on the desktop and look at what we are talking about. Open your web browser and then go to hub.opera.com. I have it right there. hub.opera.com. Now, this is a news portal. There's an application for this on the Play Store as well. Once you come here, what happens is you create content, they put it out there, and they pay you the number of views that you get. They have a particular algorithm they use to pay, and they pay anyway. So what you need to do is to sign up. Once you hit the sign up, it gives you the opportunity to continue logging in with your Facebook account or continue logging in with your Google. So you sign up, and then once you sign up, they are going to evaluate or verify your account, and then once it is approved, you get a dashboard, and then you start creating content for online users. Over the past few months, during the lockdown, when things slowed down because of the coronavirus, a lot of content is being consumed online, which makes this very profitable because people are looking for content to read. Contents that they accept cuts across almost all topics, from politics, lifestyle, social, fashion, food, travel, whichever topic that you think about. And you only need to publish something with a minimum word count of 150. But yeah, I think minimum word count of 150. But whatever, you just log on to the site, read about it, and if you are interested, sign up and then start making money. The revenues, they say they pay a fee per article, get paid for every article you write on the Opera News Hub. Get bonus per performance. You write more articles for more readers. You get, these are some of the benefits you also stand to get. You generate revenue via paid sponsorship. You expand your reach. You grow your base. No, it's worth trying. It's worth trying. Actually, it's worth trying. You don't lose anything by trying. And they pay through MTN Mobile, so you can imagine. Yeah, you get easy cash through MTN Mobile money. You sit down at the comfort of your home, on your laptop, on your desktop, and then you write stories for people to read. News items, whatever happens within your locality, put it out there. There are people who want to read about it. That's basically all you do. I will research more and then see more other authentic and legitimate means of making money online and let you know about it. But please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video, it might help someone who also needs this information. And please hit the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you get notified.